I am standing in front of the Key West 263 Family Sportsman, a 2020 model. It is on a sports trail, aluminum trailer. It does have tandem axles on it. As you can see, we're walking by. Has your tuna door, dive door, side entrance. Powered by Yamaha 4-stroke 200s. Trim tabs on here. Has dual live wells on both sides of the rear transom. As we're going to try to attempt to climb in this boat, I'll show you the inside of it. Here we go. The back bench has storage. Easy access to your pumps here. Just lift this up and out. There's the access to your bilge, water separators. You got your convenience package. Going up to the helm, have twin Garmin screens, flip down bolstering with armrests. You have 3 electronic boxes. There's a very large one here. This one's split in half. This one has the controls for your spreader lights, courtesy lights. This boat also has a windlass on it. A very large center console. You see all the cushions in there and the propellers. This does have the bow filler cushion in here. As you can see, now you have it as a casting platform. We're moving all the way up to the front here. There's your windlass. Pop-up cleats. Guys, come on, take a look at this 263. It's a gorgeous boat. You can go way offshore on this. You have the reliability of the Yamaha motors. Key West, unsinkable and uncapsizable. Come on, see us.